So it's early in the morning, 2 a.m.-ish. I'm supposed to take my car to my RV, load it up, and then take the RV to work. But it's raining. Oh yeah, this is going to be a good one. Woo! All gassed up. Now I gotta go work for a couple hours and then it's on to the road. I don't know if you can tell that I'm wet, but I am soaking. Don't you just love it? You're starting your RV trip. It's raining, it's wet. My site is gonna be a mess when I get there, but at least I'm on the road and RVing. So my RV is having problems and I have to cancel my trips. Every time I press the gas, it starts to go and then makes a weird sound and I can't get above 50 miles an hour. So I'm not too far out of where I stay in Florida, so I'm gonna take it back, see if I can get an appointment to have it looked at, and then I don't know. This is the real part of RVing. The reality so far this year, it has been a little rough, and I'll be honest with you, I was looking forward to it, but today has just been bad. So let me see if I can get back home and get this thing fixed. The next morning I went over to my RV to check on it, and yep, it was stuck in the mud. Thankfully, a gentleman who stays at the RV park where I store my RV was able to help me dig it out of the mud. So my rig is out of the mud. Special thanks to Joe, a guy who actually stays here at the RV park where I store my rig. He was able to get his 4x4 and help tow me out. It was a little bit of a mess. But it's out, and on Monday when I need to take it to get it fixed, it'll be good to go. This is the one thing I have to tell you about the RV life. People who are in it seem to always be very, very nice. I've not had any issues, and when I've had problems like this, and this is the reality of RVing, folks usually step up and help. So big ups to Joe and everybody here. Now it's time to see how this thing will turn out on Monday when it goes to the mechanic. Monday, it was on to the shop. Wasn't able to get it into my normal spot, but got it to Seminole RV, and they took a look at it and then called me with the news. So it turned out I had 2 bad coils and plugs, and that's why the engine was misfiring. They replaced all 10 of them, and then they got me back on the road in just about a day. Big ups to Seminole RV. They got the rig running, and it actually runs so much smoother now. I am back on the road. It's been a long journey. So the total to get out on the road this year, $1,368.93. That's all of the work I did the first time, and then fixing the coils and the plugs. Whew, that's a lot, but now it's time to hit the road.